Gooch. She. Gucci.
Oh, don't leave me! Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Don't leave me!
Wait. Hey, lie. Hey, lie.
Hold on.
Push. Back.
Who's back?
Wait. That's fat ass. That's head. Fat ass head. Don't leave me.
Hey, Papa.
Yes.
Give me wisdom. Give me wisdom.
What is this?
A van.
And who is this?
A girl.
Woman.
Hey.
Van Dem.
Hey, woo! Papa. Hey, give me wisdom. Give me more wisdom.
What am I going to do with this?
Tour.
Tour, yes.
Yes.
Twice. Tour.
Oh, Papa. Hey. Give me more wisdom. More wisdom. You're going to wash your hands. Hey. Papa, hey. More wisdom.
What is this?
A tap.
And what is this?
Another tap.
Double tap.
Oh, Papa. Oh, wisdom. Oh, wisdom.
What is this?
It's a house.
And what color is this?
White paint.
White house.
Oh my God! Take me with you.
What is this?
Pan.
I put the cake in the pan. Pancake. R.I.P. Aunt Jemima.
Take me with you. Take me with
What
you.
size are my hands?
They're
You
small.
have
Small hands.
No, big. My hands are very big.
okay.
And then what is this?
A Mac. It's a Mac.
Big Mac.
Oh my God! Take me with you.
Hey, Miss Eva, wisdom.
Okay. I need you to jot things down. A convict, after searching for a long time, finally gets a job. Can we call that a convocation?
Hey, don't leave me. More wisdom. Don't leave me, Miss Eva.
Okay. Your sister is hot. You put on the AC for her. Can we call that a conditioner?
Hey, wisdom, Miss Eva. Don't leave.
Okay. You buy a new house. You walk in, you see 10 small insects on the floor. Will you say they're already tenants?
Oh, don't leave me, Miss Eva. Wisdom.
Okay, I'm on the phone. I'm kind. I'm nice. I'm ethical. Can we call that phonetics?
Hey, don't leave me.
Okay.
Oh.
No, final one. You're playing a match. You score 2-0. You hurt your shin. You take you in an ambulance far away. Do we call that situation to wash in cafe?
Mr. Castle, please, I beg you, words of inspo. Please.
All right. You want expo, eh?
Yeah.
Come with me. Wait.
Whoa.
What is this?
I like.
The line.
Woo.
What is that? I crossed it.
Hey,
What did I do?
what?
Cross the line.
Don't leave me.
Look at this grass.
I see that, guys.
All right.
Woo.
I just hopped in it. Grasshopper.
Ooh, don't leave me.
How much do I weigh?
Hey, I don't know.
I'm very skinny. Lights. Look at the sun.
I see.
Sunlight.
Ooh, please don't leave me.
Kosi.
Oh,
What's this?
tea.
What's this?
Cup. Teacup.
Take off, Kosi.
Don't leave me.
What's this?
Basket.
What's this?
Ball. Basketball! Don't leave me.
Don't leave me.
Engine.
Hey, give me.
Engineering, Kosi.
Don't leave me.
What's this?
Oh,
Wait. What's this?
money. Oh, money.
Oh, money.
Especially-
Darling.
Okay. What is this?
Ear.
What is this?
Ring.
Earring.
Don't leave me.
What is this?
Water.
Waterfall.
Don't leave me.
What is this?
Tooth.
What is this?
Brush.
Toothbrush.
Don't leave me.
What is this?
Head.
What is this?
Phone.
Headphone.
Don't leave me.
What is this?
Egg.
What is this?
Plant.
Eggplant.
Don't leave me.
What is this?
Brush.
Okay. Tooth.
Toothbrush.
Okay. What is this?
A face?
What is this?
A book? Oh my God.
Facebook.
What? Don't leave me. Take me with you.
Okay. What is this?
A head?
What is this?
Shoulder?
Head and shoulders.
Ah!
Uncle, spare me wisdom.
I see, you see bad.
Uh-huh.
I put them on trash.
Uh-huh.
Call them trash bag.
Hey, don't leave me. Uncle, don't leave me. So, Uncle, spare me wisdom.
You see hunger.
Uh-huh.
You see man.
Uh-huh.
Hunger.
Hey, Uncle, don't leave me.
Hey, my friend, wait. You see the fire? Yeah. You see my work? Yeah. Firework. Wait. My friend, you see this? Yeah. You go on Instagram. You go here. You make a post. You go to the shop. You buy watermelon. To put it together, post melon. Wait. My friend, wait. You see this one? They like me. You see these boys here? They are black. You put it together. Like